CBS 13 I-Team is on your side. You asked and now we're answering. I-Team reporter Dan Lamparello looks into a question about so-called squatters' rights here in Maine.
The I-Team has heard from a few people in recent weeks asking about laws pertaining to property rights and protections here in Maine, especially if someone living on a property for a period of time can actually claim ownership of it. MC asks the I-Team, does Maine have adverse possession statutes? Can someone use your property and after a period of years take ownership of that property? Adverse possession laws, which are sometimes called squatters' rights, are on the books in many states, including here in Maine, and some date back hundreds of years.
The theory behind adverse possession is way back in the common law is whoever was making the best use of the property should own it. And if you were such a derelict and negligent owner of property that you didn't notice that somebody was camped out on your land, well, maybe the squatter has better rights to it than you do after a certain period of time.
Here in Maine, that period of time is 20 years, and in order to claim ownership after that time, a person has to prove the use was continuous and exclusive. They must also be open about the possession, meaning they're not hiding there, and they must also have hostile occupation of the property, which doesn't mean they took it by force. It just means there's no agreement in place with the actual landowner for them to be there.
The words that the law uses to describe them are a little strange, but the basic concept is you have to be open, the use has to be continuous, and it has to be just so blatantly, obviously adverse to the actual owner of the property as to put that owner on notice that you're there.
The attorney we spoke with says while squatting is still a thing, most of the adverse possession cases they have seen recently have to do with disputes over property lines and where someone may have placed a fence or a garden decades ago. There are quite a few ways to prevent adverse possession from happening on your property. We've posted those tips on our website, WGME.com. On your side, I'm Dan Lamparello.